I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes.
Yeah, you can take the towel. Much better. Message of America's life.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm already here in Sapa, specifically here in Lao Chai. This will be my homestay for one night only. Can you see the view, guys? Oh my gosh, ang arte ko, no? Pero grabe guys, ang ganda. Alam nyo ba, buti na lang nakita ko to kasi I was really searching for a homestay na hindi lang maganda yung accommodation, pero maganda yung view. Knowing Sapa na ganito kaganda yung mountain ranges nila and rice terraces, I really made time na makahanap ng accommodation na kagaya nito. And thank you Lord kasi talagang binigay niyo sa akin to. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Paglabas mo ng bedroom mo, ang makikita mo agad, mountain, rice terraces. It's very nice. So I think August is like one of the best month to go here in Sapa kasi very fresh yung fields. Okay guys, we're gonna ride the motorbike. Woo! Actually 3 years na ako nagmo-motor, pero hindi kasi ako nakapag-try ng ibang motor.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets, nobody gets, nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction, looking for someone to know.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So, time check 1:48 PM na and nandito ako ngayon sa Lao Chai View na restaurant. So, malapit lang po dun sa accommodation ko. And buti na lang kasi pagdating ko dito, sakto umulan. So, I was supposed to go to the Sapa City Center pero basa kasi yung helmet and sabi ng staff dun sa accommodation ko, bawal daw yung walang helmet of course. So, bumalik na lang ako and then dito ko pababa. Nakakuha naman ako ng magandang view. So, nag-take ako ng pictures tsaka ng videos. And actually, dapat pupunta ako ng Katkat Village. Pero, yun nga, hindi ako makahanap ng helmet and then nahihirapan ako dun sa motor na narent ko. So, order lang ako ng fresh vegetable roll and then dessert lang. Kakain muna ako guys. Bye! Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm back here in my room and it's 3:02 PM na. Ngayon, room tour tayo dito sa accommodation ko. Para may idea kayo kung if ever, you know, you want to stay here. Let's start here dito sa labas since nandito na tayo. So from here, you have the balcony with the view. Like when you step outside, ito yung makikita nyong view. Yes. It's almost 180 view. So ito yung pinaka-view niya dito sa labas. So ganun yung mga stay. And then pagpasok mo, ayan. Actually hindi pala dito yung entrance. So ito yung entrance. May electric fan. Take note, walang aircon dito, walang TV. And then meron ditong small table for coffee. So queen or king size na bed. And then small cabinet, table. And then meron din silang mga hat dito and meron din silang provided na traditional costume. Like if you want to wear it, take a picture. So this is the CR. Pagpasok nyo, meron agad mirror and then we have lavabo or sink. May provided din sila na shampoo and conditioner, other toiletries, towels for body and hair or for face, and then may blower din. So this is what I like, wooden type na bathtub. So that's all of it. Pero may another type pa ng bungalow wherein yung bathroom nila, instead na nasa likod, nasa tabi siya ng higaan mo. Mas mataas yung booking rate doon. Kasi yung bathtub, katabi siya ng glass window wherein habang naliligo ka, kita mo pa rin yung pinaka-view dito sa labas. So, ito yung nakuha ko. Pero okay lang sa akin kasi mas priority ko naman talaga to. Hindi ko naman priority maligo ng may view. Kasi sa second accommodation ko, meron naman ako nun. So, it's okay. So, yun lang. Pero pakita ko na rin kung ano yung nasa labas nito. Garden lang siya. So, this is what you can see outside.
Half in your mouth? No, only here. Javier. Second. Tomorrow. Breakfast. And later. What time are you having the maybe that's thank you so much.
Order pa ako ng bunchag guys, ang takaw ko. I didn't expected it to be this many. That's why I ordered two.
I think 2 men could. Which keep going, you can try. Yeah, please.
second day here in Sapa and my 5th day in Vietnam. It's already past 5:30 a.m. Grabe, look at the view, guys. I-appreciate lang natin yung beauty nitong nature. Mamaya mag-check out na tayo. So, one night lang tayo nag-stay dito. Later, lilipat na tayo ng accommodation. And also, kagabi, nag-dinner ako. So, akala ko kasi maliit yung serving nila. I ordered 2 meals. Yung isang meal, yun yung napapanood ko sa vlog na masarap sa menu nila. Grilled pork with bamboo rice. Yung isa naman is buncha. Kasi na-miss ko yung buncha. Ang sarap niya talaga eh. Ang in-expect ko lang na serving ng buncha ay kagaya ng serving dun sa Hanoi. So, hindi ko siya naubos. Pero, pinabalot ko siya para kainin today. So, let's see. Maganda yung tulog ko. Maganda rin yung higaan nila. So far, ang lalambot ng mga higaan na natutulugan ko. So, saya. Siguro I just wanna talk a little bit of realizations here. I would like to say na hindi ko rin ina-expect na kaya kong mag-solo travel. Andun yung thought ko lagi na kung hindi mo itatry, hindi mo naman malalaman kung kaya mo, diba? Sobrang peaceful pag mag-isa ka lang pala. It's very fulfilling. Iba yung happiness, iba yung joy na nabibigay niya sa sarili mo. Tapos ganito kaganda yung paligid na makikita mo.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Hi guys, good morning. It's almost 9 a.m. Mag-check out na ako ng 10 a.m. I'll be traveling to Sapa Center dahil doon na yung accommodation ko and doon naman ako magagala-gala. Tonight will be my last night here in Sapa and tomorrow we're gonna go back to Hanoi and then back to Philippines. I'm just so happy na finally na-TikTok ko na to sa bucket list ko and it's really worth it, guys. I do hope I can inspire you as well.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure. No, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
Hi guys, good afternoon. 1:05 p.m. na, nandito ako ngayon sa Kong Cafe. Malapit lang to sa Sun World Pansipan. After kong kumain, magpapansipan tayo. I already went to my second homestay, which is yung Lado Homestay. Iniwan ko lang muna yung luggage ko and then I paid for my accommodation and then naglakad lang ako papunta dito. Kailangan nating makaalis before 1:30 para mahaba-haba yung time natin sa taas. Mas malamig dito kesa sa Lao Chai dahil mas mataas to compared sa Lao Chai area. Pero mas maganda yung view sa Lao Chai. This is very similar to Baguio City na walking distance lang halos lahat ng mga kainan, hotels, lahat ng pupuntahan or gagalaan dito. Yun lang. So, maulan guys. Pero iris na natin dahil baka hindi tayo umabot sa cut-off. So, I'm walking my way up to the Sun World Pansipan. So, dun tayo pupunta. Mali pa ako ng daan. Ba yan? Kaya guys, timingan nyo talaga yung weather dito kapag pupunta kayo ng Pansipan. Especially kapag rainy season sa Sapa.
hear in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bar,
Sobrang cloudy ng paligid. May nakikita naman ako sa baba. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya, promise. Sana madala ko kayo na kita-kita yung view kasi ang ganda talaga. As in.
we'll be scattered in the wind.
Wala tayong masyadong nakita, pero praying pa din. Praying pa din tayo na maganda yung weather mamaya. Okay, laban na to guys, na ulan. Wala tayong payong, wala tayong raincoat. Diyos ko. Alam ko naman sinasabi ni ate, sasaglit na aakadin lang.
Put up with far too long.
It's raining, but okay lang yan. Pero ayun na yung pansipan.
But I don't want to say that you've been wrong, 'cause I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear.
Let's go guys,
We're
laban na
just
ulit.
broken.
Okay lang kasi pinagbigyan naman tayo ng mga nakaraang araw.
We'll be scattered in the wind.
Hi guys, good afternoon. 3:45 PM na and gusto ko sanang umakyat dun sa Buddha. So, hindi siya summit. Yun yung usually maganda din yung view and maganda yung picture niya from here. As you can see, naulan pa rin. Gusto ko siyang picturean kahit dito lang sa baba. After nito, mag-check-in na tayo dahil medyo late na. So, mag-antay muna tayo ng 4:15 PM. So, nanghiram ako ng raincoat para lang ma-videohan tong Buddha sa taas. So, sayang. Sobrang ganda pa naman. Thankful pa rin ako kasi nakita ko siya although sobrang cloudy. Sige, balik na tayo dahil hiniram ko lang to. And sayang, sobrang ganda dito pag hindi na ulan. Sana makabalik tayo dito na maganda yung weather.
We're just broken people. We'll be scattered in the wind.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Finally, we're here in Lado Homestay and this is my second accommodation. This will be my last night here in Sapa. So tomorrow, uuwi na tayo sa Pinas. This is located within the Sapa Center. It's just a 7-minute walk from Sandworld Pansipan. So I'm staying here in Lado Homestay. Etong building na to, bago lang to. Like, if I'm not mistaken, they just opened this year, 2024. Kung tama man ako. They also have their cafe and restaurant and then view of the mountain and the funicular passing by. Anyway, I think this one is very worthy for its price. I'll tour you around para maintindihan nyo kung bakit very worth it siya. So, pagpasok nyo dyan, of course, ito yung pinto. Meron silang rack. So, may hanger provided and CR guys. Very new. Mirror. This is so nice, maybe day. And then, here, we can totally see the view here. So, ito yung bubungan sa'yo pagpasok. Or, bukas ba to? Okay, bukas. May laman. Uy, may laman. Ewan ko kung free yan. So, may working station din. Then, may provided sila ng cup noodles, water. So, cabinet. And then, this one is a queen-size bed. 2 chairs with a very, very nice view. At yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na isa pa nilang accommodation. So, Lado Homestay din to. And then this one is the Viet Trekking. Viet Trekking is also famous to a lot of travelers kasi sobrang ganda din talaga ng rooms nila. And then, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, yung bathtub. Although nagli-leak siya, guys. Pero yung bathtub, pag inopen mo yan, kita mo yung funicular. So, magko-content tayo dyan na, you know, kunwari naliligo. So, ayan. And then, look guys, yung balcony. By the way, guys, yung funicular is yung sinasakyan na train. Dadaan dyan. Going up there. Meron din pala silang restaurant dyan. It's located on the first floor. And we're actually on the 4th floor. So, ayun lang guys. I hope you can consider this stay. Kasi kung gaano kalaki to, it's very worth it for 3,500, I think. And for 2 person. But, hindi kasama pala yung breakfast doon. I'm not sure, pero i-confirm ko later. But I think hindi siya kasama. Hi guys, good evening. Past 7 p.m. na and hindi pa ako nagbibihes. We'll have our dinner sa May Kwan. Malapit yun sa lake. Yung lake dun sa gitna ng Sapa Center. Anyway, ayun, bababa lang ako. Naglalakad-lakad tayo ngayon dito sa Sapa Center. Sobrang daming kainan dito, tsaka mga bar, resto bar. And then katabi rin nila yung mga hotels. Napansin ko lang, may umiikot na ito. Yan. Gusto ko sana sumakay pero wag ngayon kasi plano kong umikot-ikot dito sa center para naghahanap ako ng bilihan ng pasalubong. Dito sa Sapa, ito yung usually ko nakikitang mga products na binibili nila. So, ito yung mga products nila. Tikman natin yung pinapatikim si ate. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag eh. What's this?
Cheese noodle.
Hindi ko alam yung sinabi niya. Parang hopya. Sige, mga na. Pwede na. Beef. So, sana bumili pero hindi ko maintindihan kung anong bibilhin ko. Parang karamihan sa kanilang nakapak dito, herbs and flowers, na hindi ko sure kung ano ba siya, para saan ba siya. Kagaya nito, tignan nyo guys. Diba? Ano yun? Gets ko na siya guys. Tea pala siya. So, maybe pinifilter to kapag iinom ka ng tea. Pero, ayun, ito pala siya. Hindi tayo ng chopsticks, guys. Walang hindi ko alam kung ano to. Apricot. Better than this.
Yeah, I'm sure.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Hi guys! It's me again. Sobrang cloudy na sa harap ko. Like, zero visibility dun sa area na yun. Di mo na makita yung mountain and then blurry na yung pinaka-railway. Konting information lang sa accommodation na to. Binook ko to via Facebook. So, I messaged them directly and they're very responsive and helpful dahil I was checking if okay pumunta dito ng August and they told me na yes, maganda daw and it's almost harvest season so maganda daw yung rice fields. And I also choose this room kasi nakita ko nga to sa FB nila and then nireserve agad nila to para sa akin. Supposedly 2 nights ako dito but then I saw Lao Chai, yung Eco Palms Resort nga, and I decided to book there. So I think yun lang, sobrang foggy na talaga sa paligid, wala na akong makita. Nakakatuwa yung paligid, as in covered yung whole place ng clouds. Sobrang cloudy, diba? Zero visibility.
Resting on the myth of old, all of the stories I've been told, secret places hidden where I go now as far as I can tell. Better one. I've come to realize time goes by on its own. I am stuck here without a home.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Nakapag-check out na ako sa hotel. Pupunta ako ngayon sa Viet Trekking. I was supposed to go to Katkat Village pero hindi talaga kaya. Kanina pa, hindi maganda yung weather. Dito lang muna tayo sa restaurant. Kakain tayo sa Viet Trekking para naman maranasan natin kung anong pakiramdam sa Viet Trekking. Anyway, eto. Kain na tayo ng lunch. So, nasa second floor yung restaurant nila. Yung cafe nasa first floor. Hi guys, it's already past 4 PM and papunta na tayo ngayon sa Hanoi. I met 2 international tourists again dun sa station. So, nakakatawa lang kasi lahat ng nakilala ko na international tourist, like, nakausap ko ng medyo matagal. Sila yung una nag-a-approach. Pero ito yung itsura ng sleeper bus and walang nakahiga dito sa tapat ko. So, buti na lang may kumot sila na provided. And then, ganito lang yung unan. Yung sapatos nyo din, hindi nila ina-allow. And naka-medyas lang dapat kayo. So, ipa-plastic nila. It's a 6-hour ride from Sapa to Hanoi. Pero since diretso ako sa airport, it's 7 hours. Kasi almost 1 hour yung travel time from Hanoi to airport. I think this is the end of my Vietnam trip. I really enjoyed it. Hawak mo lahat ng time mo. Masaya. Although mag-isa ka lang, medyo nakakalungkot. Pero masaya siya. Basta all I can say is that it's very fulfilling for someone like me na never pang nakapag-solo travel.